So what was going on with your shower before Ridgeline did
It's
it?
actually a shower with a bathtub, and with age, it's hard to get in there and step in, so I needed a shower alone. And
Yeah, awesome. And what did Ridgeline do to help you fix that?
showed me the different patterns, for the shower, and explained the seating and how everything would work. And I made the choice from that, and I love it.
Yeah, awesome. And what do you think about the project after it's finished?
It's amazing. It's more than I expected. The team was very professional that installed it, and it's just great. Everything was measured for my height, and I just love it.
Yeah, great. And then finally, if one of your friends or family asked you about recommending Ridgeline, what would you say?
I would definitely recommend Ridgeline. Everyone's been so courteous and friendly and professional. I just love everything about the company.
Great.